Welcome back to my channel where we start a lot of projects and never actually finish any. Yeah, this is another one of those. We're just gonna keep going. I learned something. So I was doing a rundown test where I would just take this and just let it run for as long as possible on the battery. It cut off at 2 hours and 10 minutes twice. Why? Why is it doing that? If I unplug this unit right here, there it is. Whoops, sorry, there goes the light. You can see, yeah, we're drawing 1.3 amps. It's running on battery, and it's gonna run on battery for quite a while. And I got it down to 12.9 volts, which is basically a full charge, and then it just turned off. When it turned off, I then hit the power button on the APC, and it came back to life, and it continued to discharge from 12.9 volts for another 2 hours and 10 minutes. So, not all APCs are built equal. After some research, it appears as though that some APCs, maybe the fanless type, maybe the ones that are made with a plastic shell, have a safety mechanism where if it's supposed to die within 2 hours, then it has a fail-safe measure to die within 2 hours. So it looks like this particular unit may have that feature. So we are going to test this with other units. How much juice can we pump into these things, and how long can they last for, and do they have fail-safe mechanisms? This APC, specifically the back UPS 450, it's probably about 10 years old, definitely has the fail-safe measure where it cuts off at 2 hours and 10 minutes. Simply just booting back up the unit will be fine, right? It'll continue to run. And this battery looks like it's it's probably going to run for a good 24 hours. So good news is what we have here works. Bad news is this guy's got a fail-safe, and we need to find a way to bypass it. So if you happen to know how to bypass that functionality on these particular units, let me know. I'm interested. Thanks for watching.